video will make a program of file handling. First of all, we will make one our class name while test. We make a public static void main. Now in this we will make a try block naming file writer. First of all, we have to create an object of file writer. Writer equal to new file writer. Then inside it we have to pass a file name. So we write a file name string file name equal to one.txt. We will pass the file name as a parameter. File name inside file in the file we have to make something. We write a writer dot write. This is my file. Also we have to do something pattern for file. So file. So you will write around. Then after that we will scroll pushing the data into the file. We have to download the writer dot flush. Now we have to write a catch IOException E, and then this we have to write E dot get message with no exception calls. Then we run the program. If it is successful, then we have to write a message like from is done success for the so that we will know if any error occur or the interview done successfully. So we will run another time. If you want to write this in the uh, inside the file, we will write here. Now we'll see that the file is here, and inside the file, this is printed. So this is the file. So with this, we have completed the program. Thank you.